So hello, good morning.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
How are you, ma'am?
Morning, ma'am.
Fine,
How are
my
you,
dear.
ma'am?
How do you feel early in the morning in the next class, means in the
So
second
fresh,
class?
ma'am,
How do
and
you
also
feel?
energy.
With a lot of energy. Shreya said, okay, she's, packed with a lot of energy. What about others? How do you feel?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, when I look in the phone for many time, I feel sleepy.
Tanya has got a different kind of answer. Tanya, you see that you don't sleep. Okay, that much only I can
Yes,
see,
ma'am.
Yeah. What about others? How do you feel? This fine morning, you
Ma'am,
should have
more
some
energy.
feeling. How do you feel?
I'm more energetic.
Fresh,
More
ma'am.
energetic.
Okay, fresh, more energetic. Okay, etc., etc., etc.
Ma'am,
Okay.
it is
Get ready to study.
checking about asteroid and all.
Get study, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
I went to sleep in 2 o'clock because I went to my auntie's house, so I'm so sleepy.
I
Okay,
slept in
okay,
11.
okay, okay. Now, so we have another period at, I think so, in the afternoon, right? So if you have any doubts,
Yes,
just go
ma'am.
through the textbook.
Ma'am.
Just go through the textbook.
4:20.
Yeah, please go through the textbook, exercises, whatever it is. If you have any doubts, please do ask me in the other period which you are going to meet. And in the next period, we will have a small test too, daily test of 5 marks. Right? I had sent links of 2 tests. I think so it was okay. Was there any problem? No. Hope so you have got good marks, right? I could see the result in my phone here. Okay. So okay, it was good. So all the very best for all the subjects, especially English. Okay. Okay. So here we are going to start with another important topic. So for that, be comfortable. Be comfortable. Keep the books closed. Sit straight. Take a deep breath. Feel relaxed. Yes. Some of them I can see. Take a deep breath. It helps you to release the tension and the pressure and be happy. Okay. So just be comfortable. That's what I want to say. Okay. Now I'm just going to write a thing, a word, not thing, a word, and I just want you to talk. Dream. What is this word? A dream. And I'm not talking about those dreams which come when we go to sleep. What do you think? Those dreams, do they have any important role in our life? Anandesh, what do you feel, Anandesh? The dreams which we get when we are asleep. What do you think? When we go to sleep, we get, a number of dreams.
Ma'am, it is not possible. It is mythical in the dream. We can do anything.
Okay, okay. No, I am talking about something which we get, in the subconscious mind. Something is stored and something is reflected during the sleep. Yeah.
Ma'am, what we had done.
Okay. I am asking, my question is, do you believe? Do you believe in those kind of dreams, Anantesh? Yes or no?
Ma'am, in the sleep.
Yeah.
No, ma'am, it is just our like seeing a movie.
Okay, okay. So I think so more or less for everybody of us, it's like that, right? Now, once we come to real life, we have dream or dreams. Now, I just want you to speak about that dream. Now, see, God has blessed us with a beautiful life, with, the best family on the earth, where, they take care of us, they love us, they support us, and the best teachers who are giving you the best education, the best school, everything the best you have in your life. This is the first and the foremost thing that you should believe in yourself, and always tell yourself, I have the best things given to me in life by the master of the world, that is God, whichever God I believe in. Now, once I believe like this, what happens to my confidence? My confidence is always high. I have the confidence to achieve anything in my life. And this confidence gives me happiness. Once I am happy, what happens? The people who are around me, they also are happy. My happiness is reflected, right? So now you just tell me, you have this life. You may be having a dream. What do I want to become? What should be my dream? Actually, what do I want from my life? I don't think so whether you are too small to decide, right? It's sixth standard, almost 11 years old child will have a rough idea what. Okay, Angelina, come on, Angelina. Yeah, what according to you is dream? And what dream do you have for your life?
Ma'am, I would like to become an IAS officer.
Okay, just before that, you tell me what is dream according to you. Okay, Angelina, good. Good. Reason, what is the meaning? What meaning would you like to add for this term dream? Word dream.
Dream, ma'am. Dream is something which we, ma'am. It will sometimes it will be successful in our life. Sometimes it won't.
Oh, okay, okay. So, what is your dream, Reason?
Ma'am, my dream is to be an astronaut to go to Mars.
Oh, very good. Beautiful dream. Angelina also had a beautiful dream. Okay, Cheryl had, has a beautiful dream. Okay, Cheryl.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is your dream, my dear?
Ma'am, to be a doctor.
Which
And
doctor? You just now know these
I'm
days.
pediatric.
Okay, so pediatrician, pediatric department. What about Shreya? Shreya, tell me, Shreya.
I want to become a college professor and psychologist, and I have to take doctorate.
Okay, 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 good. Beautiful. Okay. Any boy? What about the boys? I don't see many hands up. Sri Shankar, where is Sri Shankar gone from my screen? I can't see Sri Shankar here. Okay. Sri Shankar is here. Come on, Sri Shankar, unmute.
Ma'am, I want really my ambition is to become IFS, and also I like to become an astronomy.
I like to become astronaut. An astronaut.
No, ma'am.
Astronomy.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Like
okay.
if a star and all in the sky, and check
Okay.
about it.
Okay. We have seen in the movies all. Okay. Gautam, what about Gautam?
I like to become an astronaut.
Okay, so many astronauts are there from 6th A now. Hope so there will be some space in the, some place in the space. Chinmay.
I want to become a programmer.
Okay. Is there anyone else who would like to share? Ayman, why today? What happened to Ayman? Ayman is very quiet today. Quiet baby today. What happened, Ayman? Ayman, what happened today, Ayman?
Just muted everyone, so that's why I can't unmute.
Oh, he thought, let me keep quiet for a second. Tell me, Ayman, what is your dream?
I would like to become an IAS officer.
You please be a little louder, my dear. I didn't get you actually.
Or else an IFS.
Okay. Agne, what about Agne?
I'm a wildlife biologist.
Oh, wildlife biologist. You look at this. When I was in 6th standard, these terms all sometimes I was unaware, very much ignorant, because we did not have technology on the tip of our fingers. Those years I'm talking about. Maybe I finished my 6th standard, maybe somewhere in 94 or 95, something like that. You just imagine, even it is before 2000. Okay. Please don't ask my age. I will not tell also now. If this question strikes you, please don't. Okay, Angelina, come on, Angelina.
Yes, ma'am. I would like to be a surgeon, doctor. Also, to be a pediatrician also. Then I need to pass the entrance, not like to give money and be a doctor.
Okay, good. She wants to, she doesn't want to make her parents to undergo a lot of burdens. So, okay. Gautam, no, Gautam. Okay. So this is dream. Now it is high time that you should have a dream. As far I remember, I also, when I was in almost the 6th and 7th, I decided to become a teacher. Just imagine, almost of your age, I decided. Before that, when the teachers would ask like this in the class, what do you want to become? Many of us have dreams like telling, I want to be a doctor. If one child would say doctor, the whole class wanted to be a doctor, right? That was, but after in 6th and later on 7th, I realized I want to be a teacher. So I had a beautiful dream. I accomplished it. Today, I am very happy. I can teach, hundreds and hundreds of students. I can see their beautiful smile on their face. and all those things, right? We get a kind of happiness and a feeling of satisfaction. Okay, now there is another word which I would like to ask you. So this is what about dream. Now, who has not thought, what should I become? What do I expect from my life? It is high time you take your book, maybe a rough book or any book, write on the first page, I want to be so and so. And now and then you should check that page. Then only you work hard. Then only you have that spirit. Yes, I want to achieve that in my life. So this is about dream. Now you just tell me, what is this? Imagination. Imagination. Now, what according to you is imagination? Sri Shankar. Come on, Sri Shankar. Yeah.
Ma'am, imagination means that it is not really happening, but we can do anything in that.
Okay, actually, it is
It
not happening.
happens in our mind.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. What about Anantesh? Tell me, Anantesh.
Ma'am, we can feel imagination by doing anything, by anywhere, but not really. We can enjoy it, but we are not really doing it. We can
Okay.
the dangers, but we can feel it. We can enjoy it.
Okay, so it is the ability of the mind. Am I right? It is the ability of the mind to be very creative. What we cannot do sometimes in the real life, we try to imagine and derive happiness. Is it so? Somebody else, I want. See, imagination. Don't you imagine things? Yes or no? What about Adil, Brighton, Bhuvana, Advika, Pavitra, Ammu? All these people don't have any dreams and don't imagine anything. Yes, Tanya is jumping. Let me ask Tanya now. Come on, Tanya. Yeah, tell me, Tanya. Unmute.
I imagine when I read an interesting book. When we read an interesting book, we will automatically go to a dream world and imagine we are in that place.
Okay, so she connected to, when we read a book, so we imagine ourselves as that particular character and visit so many places and do so many things. Even it happens when we watch this cartoon or even a movie, right? Right? Am I right? Yes. Have you seen this Chota Beam? Not Chota Beam. What is that? What is that? One lion picture is there on his Singham. Singham. What is that? What is that? What is that cartoon? Yeah.
Little Singham.
Little Singham.
Yes.
Little Singham. My two kids at home. They are very fond of this
My
Little
brother
Singham.
is watching that every time and fighting with me.
Yeah, Little Singham, they are very fond of that. And when I see, I don't feel any great things happening there because, I am in real life. These children know, they are, once they see this Little Singham, they are very happy. They are very happy to enjoy. They are very happily enjoying the incidents which are taking place. But I cannot because I know that is not true. It is something in a world of fantasy. Okay, so imagination. Ayman.
Ma'am, imagination is a whole new world that it will happen according to our thoughts and things.
Oh, okay. Such a beautiful way he has explained. It is something new which happens according to our mind and thoughts which cross our mind each second. Okay, good, Ayman. Good try. Is there anyone else who would like to add something to this? Gautam. Yes, Gautam.
Imagination is like a dream. When someone told to imagine like this, when we close our eyes and thinking about it, it is called imagination.
Okay, you do one thing. Okay, now you do one thing. Just close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Now, since he has told, let me do it. Just close your eyes. For a second, just close. I want everyone. Don't put a lot of pressure in closing your eyes. Just relax, be cool. Bhuvana, relax. And just sit there and imagine what comes to your mind. You have to tell me. Just 3-4 people only will talk. Okay, I cannot ask each one. Just sit there and imagine. You just bring this word imagination. And you just tell me what comes to your mind. Okay. Okay. Enough. Please don't go to sleep. As somebody told, when I see the screen, I go to sleep. Please don't sleep. Please come back. We are in English literature class. Now Adil is going to share. Come on, Adil. Adil is very comfortably sitting, with the support of the wall there. So come on, Adil. What came to your mind when you just closed your eyes? Adil? Adil? Yes. Unmute, my dear Adil. Adil? Adil is trying to unmute, but no, there is some problem there. Okay. What about others? Brightlane, do you want to say something, Brightlane? Unmute, Brightlane.
Ma'am, nothing came to my mind.
Don't say that. Our mind is so powerful. They say that even in, I think so, 1 minute or 1 second, so many thoughts cross our mind. Am I right, Anantesh, or somebody who knows this fact? They say that thousands of thoughts cross our mind. Some thoughts we give importance, some thoughts no, just cross our mind and just we allow them to go. Okay, John Sebi, come on, John Sebi, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, in my mind, I was going to space.
Oh, so he went to space within a minute and he came back. Good. Somebody else again. I can see the same hand. Praveen P. Joshi, please sit properly. Let me see your face, my dear Praveen. Rizin, come on, Rizin. Tell me.
Ma'am, I go to a cave through the imagination.
I went. Past tense. I went to a.
I went to a cave through the imagination.
Did you see a lion or a tiger?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, when you were speaking, the sound was echoing.
So she meant that, teacher standing here is a lion or a tiger. That's what she meant now, but she did not tell me in.
No,
Is it so, Rizin? Okay, just for fun.
No.
Just for fun. Making the class, funny. Okay, Cheryl, come on, Cheryl.
Ma'am, when I was thinking about imagination, I thought that dream and imagination was same.
Okay, she felt. Why did you feel so, my dear?
Ma'am, because imagination is the things which we feel to do, but sometimes we can do and sometimes we can't do, and dream is like that.
Okay, but what is my belief? Suppose if I have a dream, that's what I told you. Like you, I had a dream of becoming a teacher. I had an ambition. I accomplished it. Today, see in front of you, I stand here as a teacher. So if you work hard, if you have the spirit, if you have the mentality, yes, you can achieve anything in your life. Bhuwana, come on, Bhuwana, tell me what is that? Gautam, don't do that. What you're doing here now, Bhuwana.
Ma'am, I was imagining what I should do on my birthday tomorrow.
Bhuwana, my dear, I think so. You should be a little bit louder.
Ma'am, I was imagining that what I should do on my birthday tomorrow.
Oh, so anyhow, advance happy birthday, Bhuwana. Okay, so enjoy your day tomorrow.
Thank
and
you,
just
ma'am.
plan out and just imagine what all you want. Okay, good. One more. Anandan, come on, Anandan.
Hi, friends.
Anandan, yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I was thinking about the exam.
Oh, so only I told you, be cool, be calm. Exams will come, exams will go. If you have prepared, why should I get scared? Am I right? Okay, Angelina, come on.
Ma'am, I just saw that I'm flying as a fairy and touching a unicorn. Every day when I imagine, I only see this.
Oh, very good. Beautiful dream. Beautiful imagination. Okay. So Ayman, last one. Ayman and Rudra. Rudra also is putting her hand up from long mic. Come on, tell me, Ayman, what is that?
I was flying in the sky like a bird.
Okay, I also always feel like this, to be a bird and just fly. You just imagine how beautifully they fly without any, I don't know, without any problem, I cannot say, but still they enjoy the freedom, spreading the wings and flapping the wings and just go that side, this side and enjoy. Very, very nice too. Yes, Rudra, tell me.
Ma'am, I thought about the exam and I feel very, very sleepy that time.
Very good. That's what I told. Don't sleep. Please imagine and come back. Okay. So here we stop. Now, a dream, as I told you, as an ambition, as an aspiration, we have an ideal in life. No, you to live a life, we should have a dream, right? We should have a hope. Yes, I am going to become, I am going to do this. You just ask your parents. They also have got beautiful dreams about you. Am I right? Am I right?
Ma'am.
Have you ever made an attempt to know what your parents want from you or what they want you to become? Have you ever spoken to them about all these things? Shreya wants to say something. Come on, Shreya.
Yes, ma'am. They also want me to become a college professor, and they have to be proud. That's my ambition.
Yeah, that's what I also want you to do. So work hard. Work hard. Manu wants to say something. Tell me, Manu, what is that?
My father wants me to be a doctor.
Okay, good. So whatever dream you have, work hard, accomplish it, be happy, have a feeling of satisfaction, give happiness to your parents, let their name and fame reach the zenith of the sky. So be happy. Okay? The simple formula in life we have to follow is just be happy. Tension comes, problem comes, come and go. But we have to be whatever we are. Okay, so dream is that imagination, as somebody told, we need not work hard, we need not pay money. This is what answer I got from the last class. We need not pay money, we need not work hard, we need not study. Sit there and imagine that you are a surgeon. Yes, you are operating a patient, so you become a surgeon and you come back. Imagination. Now the next topic which we are going to learn is all about imagination. Is all about imagination, right? So the next poem which we are going to learn is The Merchant, on the page number 22.
Ma'am, in the textbook?
Yes. So The Merchant, it's a very beautiful poem which is written by the poet. Could you read out the name of the poet on the page number 23? It is Rabindranath Tagore. So Rabindranath Tagore, the poet of this beautiful poem, and what is the name of the poem? The Merchant. Rabindranath Tagore, from 1861 to 1941. He was born in 1861 and lived up to 1941. He was a renowned Indian poet, educator, painter, and social reformer. What is the meaning of renowned? Renowned means what? Very famous, known, right? Rabindranath Tagore is very known. A poet, educator, painter, and a social reformer. Then, in 1913, what happened? In 1913, he got a Nobel Prize in literature. Nobel Prize he got in 1913 in literature for his beautiful collection of verses, for the beautiful collection of small poems called Gitanjali. These all important points you can underline so that whenever I ask a question in the exam, you can be able to attempt it without any problem, right? Gitanjali. He had a deep interest in children. So what did he do? He has written a number of poems about them. Hope so you have understood. What all did I say? Today the poem which we are going to learn is The Merchant by Rabindranath Tagore. He lived from 1861 to 1941. A very well-known personality, educator, poet, social reformer, and a painter also. In 1913, he got a Nobel Prize for his Gitanjali, for his beautiful collection of verses, that is Gitanjali. And he was interested in children, so he wrote a number of poems about them. And the poem which we are going to learn, The Merchant, what is this? This poem is from the point of view of a child with a vivid imagination. What is the meaning of vivid? V-I-V-I-D. Vivid means what? Vivid. Yes, Anantesh has got the answer. Come on, Anantesh, tell me, what is vivid?
Strange, different.
Strange, different. Yes, strange or different. We can take it as different here. So the child has got a different kind of imagination, a strange kind of imagination. This poem, the poem brings to life the fantasy world of a child. So this poem is all about the imagination of a child. It also beautifully evokes the picture of a loving family. So this poem, what does it do? It represents or it portrays the importance of family in our life. So whenever you learn this poem, you have to be in the world of imagination. You have to imagine, then only you can beautifully understand this poem. So what did I say? The Merchant is a poem about a child who imagines to be in the world of fantasy, and this poem also depicts or portrays or represents the importance of family in a life. Okay, now before we start the poem, or let me finish the first 4 lines. Look at the poem now. No, before we start the poem, what is the meaning of merchant? What is the meaning of the word merchant? Merchant means what? Agne, come on, Agne, tell me what is the meaning of merchant?
A person who sells things.
Okay, good. Is any? Okay, tell me, Agne, what is that?
And a person who sells for other things.
Who sells?
Exchange.
Okay. Is there anybody else who would like to add something to this? Sri Shankar, come on, Sri Shankar.
Ma'am, also like he has so many money and all.
Monies we don't say. When he comes, we have to use always has, not have. This all you will be learning in your grammar class. You should take care. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, good, Sri Shankar. Ayman.
Ma'am, a merchant is a person who travels from place to place and sell goods.
Okay, sells goods is called a. So shall we call it as a trader? Can we call him as a trader?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Anadesh, do you have anything else to say? Good, my dear Ayman.
The merchant sells a particular item in large amounts.
Okay. So you just take a pencil, have a pencil with you, underline the word merchant, underline the word merchant, and please write the meaning. Trader, you can write the. So Rabindranath Tagore, you can write the meaning, trader or a person, trader. A person who sells, goods in large quantities. When I was asking you, what do you want to become or what is your expectation from life? None of you told any, this kind of professions or like, not profession like a businessman. I was expecting all those answers, but I didn't get any those kind of answers. No problem. That is, that's our life. Okay. Now, it's already 10:24. Let me start with first 4 lines. Imagine mother. So here the child is asking mother, just imagine that you are to stay at home and I am to travel into strange lands. So the child is asking mother, suppose mother, you just imagine if you are supposed to stay at home and I, who is I here? I is the child. So underline I and write child there. I am to travel into strange lands. Suppose if it happens that I travel into the strange lands. What is the meaning of strange? Strange means Gautam.
Strange means the child do not know which place.
Yeah, unknown or unfamiliar, right? We can use unknown or unfamiliar. Please write all these meanings. Unknown or unfamiliar lands. Imagine that my boat is ready at the landing, fully laden. So what did the child say in the first 2 lines? He's telling mother, suppose you imagine you are supposed to stay at home and I happen to travel into the strange lands, and imagine that my boat is ready at the landing. What is the meaning of landing? A place where people get into or out of a boat. The meaning is given there. What is the meaning of landing? It's a place where the people get into or get out of a boat. And what is the meaning of laden? Laden means heavy loaded with something. Heavily loaded with something. Not heavy, heavily. Heavily loaded with something. Now think well, mother, before you say what I shall bring for you when I come back. So the child is asking so many things to mother. Suppose if you are supposed to stay at home, I go into the strange lands, unknown lands, unfamiliar lands, and my boat is ready at the landing, and it is filled with many heavy goods. And suppose if I ask you when I come back, what should I bring for you? So he says, mother, before answering, think. Now think well, mother, before you say what I shall bring for you when I come back. Mother, do you want heaps and heaps of gold? Do you know what is the meaning of heap? Heap meaning is given there. Untidy collections of things that are placed one on top of each other. Have you seen vegetable market? Have you seen vegetable market? See this chili, all some vegetables they beautifully arrange. Fruits all they arrange. But have you seen chili? They simply put heaps, right? Right? So heaps means what? Simply untidy collections of things that are placed one on top of each other. So he's asking mother, do you want heaps and heaps of gold? Heaps and heaps of gold. Is it possible to buy in real life? No. So this poem is all based on imagination. Okay, so here I stop because it's already 10:27. I am supposed to take the attendance. So what all did I say? Child is asking mother, suppose if I go somewhere and come back, if I go into the strange lands, and if you are supposed to stay at home when I come back, mother, what do you want? And before answering, the child is telling mother, just think and answer, what should I bring when I come back? Do you want heaps and heaps of gold? So here I stop. Now,
Can you screen share?
Yes.
the first question. What is there on the screen here? Okay. Now you just tell me, how was the introduction to this poem? Did you like the introduction?
We should write in our lecture note.
Ma'am, but it is poem.
Ma'am, this means we should write in our lecture note.
Who is that? Who is the introduction which I gave to this
Yes,
beautiful
ma'am, it was
poem?
fantastic.
Was it how did you feel?
It was beautiful.
Yes, ma'am, it was good. Yes.
Only Angelina has got something to say.
It
Ma'am,
was
it was
fantastic.
Ma'am, it was very
Yes,
fantastic.
ma'am.
And
Never
it
imagined
is
that I'm
about
going
his
to.
imaginary world.
Did you ever
we
imagine? Did you ever
imagined a
think that
Yes, ma'am.
that I'm going to try like this? I'm going to start a
No,
poem like
ma'am.
this with all these questions. No.
No, ma'am.
No,
No.
ma'am. It was
That is
fantastic.
my power of imagination. Yeah. So here we stop, and all the best for the PT1 which you are going to write today.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Thank you,
Now
ma'am.
I am